to work harder, to be better, and to make a dent wherever we can. In life, you know, there are moments when you stop and ask yourself, how did I get here? And I find myself going back to the beginning, back to my roots.
To love, to be loved, to never forget your own insignificance. To never get used to the unspeakable violence and the vulgar disparity of life around you. To seek joy in the saddest places, to pursue beauty to its lair, to never simplify what is complicated or complicate what is simple.
Well, now really, when we go back then to falling in love and say it's crazy, falling. You see, we don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall. There is always a curious tie at some point between the fall and the creation. You see, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gamble. The moment you take a step, you do so on an act of faith, because you don't really know that the floor is not going to give under your feet. But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person. Total abandon. I give myself. Take, do anything you like. What is really sensible is to let go, is to commit oneself, to give oneself up, and that's quite mad. So we come to the strange conclusion that in madness lies sanity.
To respect strength, never power. Above all, to watch, to try and understand. To never look away, and never to forget.